Hey y'all, we back with another video. And this video is on YMW Melly. And they talking about he demand a release. No, he don't demand no release over rights violation. Okay, the only thing I just I don't he don't do no, we gotta find out who did that to them boys. But no, he don't need to be released. I just want to know why he can't call his mom at least 1 or 2 times. He ain't got to call her every day. Why is the restriction on the phone restriction on him? They don't trust him for some reason. Okay, but let's listen to this.
And developing now, there's a new push to get rapper YNW Melly out of jail. He's currently awaiting retrial for the murder of 2 childhood friends, but a new lawsuit alleges he's being held in inhumane conditions. Local 10's Andrew Perez, live at the jail in Fort Lauderdale, to explain this one. Andrew.
Yeah, we have it right here. This is a 12-page complaint. It's against BSO and the sheriff. Melly's family telling us they haven't spoken to him in years.
What?
Break him down and get a result that they cannot get in the court system.
Attorney Michael Pizzi with the family at his side announcing a lawsuit filed asking a federal judge to order the immediate release of rapper YNW Melly.
I was not allowed to sit down with him, the same as I've sat down with all of my clients over 30 years. I was not allowed to show him documents, to have a private conversation. I was put behind the glass where I had to yell for him to hear me.
He's been in jail since February 2019. The suit alleging his constitutional...
I mean, there's a lot of people been in jail since 2006. I mean, a petition. He don't need to be released. But why, what are they saying the reason why y'all doing him like that? Y'all, it's something he doing. It's something he doing, but he don't did. Y'all think?
Rights are being violated, restrictions interfering with his attorneys trying to help him, and debilitating isolation. He hasn't seen or spoken to his family in several years.
The last time I heard my son's voice on the phone was in 2022. Some days I don't know if he's alive in there. I don't know if something's happened to him in there.
The rapper, whose real name is Jamel Demons, is accused of murdering Chris Thomas and Anthony Williams.
Well, they mom ain't gonna never hear from them. How about that? How about that? They family will never hear from them no more. And that's sad that that happened to them boys. But still though, for real though. What is it, the reason why he can't use the phone? He under some kind of restriction.
Childhood friends. It was after a late-night recording session and allegedly made to look like a drive-by shooting. The first double murder trial ended last summer in a mistrial. The twists and turns that followed throughout included allegations of witness tampering, passing messages, and alleged plans to escape that were investigated. BSO only saying it does not generally comment on pending litigation. However, the jail does not utilize solitary confinement. Mr. Demons has been placed on administrative segregation, an alternate living assignment for someone who poses a serious threat. The judge is going to review all of this and decide whether or not the state has to answer for itself, basically, and explain why all these restrictions have been put in place. Meanwhile, at retrial, it has been set for September of next year. That's the latest here outside the jail.
Okay, his attorney said that, that's his brother right there looking like a girl. He said that they trying to break him. And they can't break him. That's not the reason why he's not talking to his mama. Come on, what's the real reason, attorney? You know. Come on, tell everybody. And then they ain't spoke to him in years. A year. And why haven't they spoken to them? But we do know for a fact, he ain't coming out of there now. He ain't coming out, mama. Oh no, mama. I know that's your boy. And you miss him, but he ain't coming out that mother sucker. But we do want to know why he can't call you at least 1 or 2 times out the year. Whatever going on, and the attorney knows, y'all. The attorney knows, the mama knows the reason why he can't receive phone calls. So, okay, they trying to do a lawsuit. A lawsuit. Mm. But yeah, for real though, why can't he call his mom? I ain't on his side. But what? Why though? Hmm. He don't need to be released. Melly, you ain't going nowhere. It ain't gonna be that easy, bro. We got 2 boys who parents will never see them again. Ever, ever, ever gonna see them again. Only you can tell them what happened. I wonder why Broward Sheriff Office is giving him a cruel treatment. I wonder why. I mean, I'm not like I said earlier don't let him out, but let him call somebody.
He hopes that a new lawsuit filed on his behalf gets him out of prison. The lawsuit accuses the Broward Sheriff's Office of cruel treatment and violating his constitutional rights. The rapper, whose real name is Jamel Demons, is accused of murdering 2 of his childhood friends back in 2018. Now, he hasn't been able to see or speak to any of his family members for the
Them boys didn't even know that they were plotting to get rid of them. They happy, they having fun, and the whole time they were being cruel to them by to get them the worst treatment. Them 2 boys, that's what I'm talking about right there.
see or speak to any of his family members for the last 3 years, according to the lawsuit, along with experiencing, quote, debilitating isolation. The double murder retrial date has been set for September 2025 after a mistrial last summer.
I wonder why when they got to know what happened to them 2 boys in that car. They got to know, y'all. They would have been still alive. These young boys was in the car with Melly. And they family won't be able to hear from them, talk to them, look at them ever again in their lives.
His constitutional rights. The rapper, whose real name is Jamel Demons, is accused of murdering 2 of his childhood friends back in 2018. Now, he hasn't.
I don't trust Melly.
Been able to see or speak to any of his family members for the last 3 years, according to the law.
I just don't understand. What y'all think? What do y'all think? I want to hear from y'all now. Put in the chat and tell me, what do you think about Melly not being released? Okay, not being released. He had a mistrial. So that should let him use the phone or something. What is it why they don't want him to use the phone? Why is it that they don't want him to sit up by his own lawyer? His rights been violated, y'all. His rights been violated in jail. And he should be able to talk to his family. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. What do you think happening?